So I just had to change my memory card because the memory card I had in here kept messing up. So I'm just like, should I take this camera with me to the beach or not? Because it's making me nervous. And maybe I should just record my videos, some of my videos from my phone and just send them to my email. But we'll see because I'm getting a little nervous. Charging my speaker up right now so I can have some music while I'm laying out on the beach. And I think I'm gonna take a book with me. And and just relax. This is how you really have a hot girl summer, okay? By relaxing. Ready for the beach. And I'm about to leave out the door and go meet with my family. See you guys when I get there. My aunt. Everybody's getting dressed. It's a beach day. Her. Oh, this is.
Oh, look, say hi.
Say hey, girl. You famous.
Say fabulous.
Okay. Is that how we feeling?
That's how we feeling at the beach.
Yeah. Hey, girl.
Now the sun is wait. You got
The clouds look like the intro to The Simpsons.
The Simpsons.
Yo, she's like, close the window.
You got it, friend?
Yeah. Made it to the beach, catching some sun. Hey, girl. It is packed at this beach today. Everybody and their mother is in here. All the Puerto Ricans is outside. And the Latin Kings. Y'all know I love the Latin Kings. Shit. I need me a real king in real life, but we're not gonna talk about that today. Oh, I got some weed. Huh? Yes. Y'all see my bathing suit? I'm trying to get me a nice bomb-ass tan. So when y'all see me outside looking good, her. Oh yeah. We did. I know my legs aren't gonna get white, so that is. You wanna talk about something? Like, where's my lip gloss? She said no. People out here with their boobs. I said I should have brought my boo so we could have. Well, he's not my boo right now, but to dunk him in that water to remove. Maybe that will help with his damn problems. But it feels good to be out. I'm ready to light up. But then I'm going to want a snack. And my aunt got the snacks all the way over there in West Bubblefuck. And I was just telling my little cousin, like, I was scared to wear my little bikini here. Well, it's not a little bikini. Because I was like, yo, like, they might body shame me here. She was like, please, girl, you getting mad skinny. Period. I lost 10 pounds. So, I'm excited about that. I'm trying to lose 10 more by September. So, that's when shit is really going to get critical. So, I'm going to have to start doing my mile walk again. Hey guys! My speaker's not working. I don't have service out here. It fucking sucks. But it's cool because everybody's playing music all over. Hey girls. Jazzy is over there on God Mommy's duty. Oh, okay. The sun is coming back out. I gotta turn over. Come on. they charged a lot for that? Okay. Yes.
Slide those over.
We got food. When?
She ate a grape and
In New York is like, this is what it's like.
Summer, I know you gon' miss me. We've been together like Thanksgiving and Christmas. That's shots with polo pieces. With the logo secret. Give me a couple years and I might just sneak in.
Now we're gonna go chill on the boardwalk. I'm dying to get out of this damn bathing suit. I got sand in my poom poom. Hey. Big plan everywhere. I changed my clothes. Huh? I changed my clothes. I had to take a whole bath because we was in the wrong bathroom. We were supposed to go to the bathroom where they had the showers, and we washed up in the sink and whatever. We took a whole bath, but now we just chilling. I don't know, this old head keeps looking at me. He look like he got money. What's up? Somebody's speaker died, so they're not dancing no more.